Software. So in this video we are going to see how the holidays will work in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the HR management, go to holiday list, and here let's suppose take 11 August. That is Udayi Handi celebration in Maharashtra, India. So if you stay in other countries, you can select the country name as well. So just save this entry, and now from the search bar just search one customer. So this customer is Smita Shah, and create one loan against her. So it is personal loan, just take for 10,000, rate of interest 2%, and for 20 days, and just save this. So loan number 37 is saved successfully. So from the search bar, loan number 37 search, and now you can see all loan details in this loan number 37. So you can receive this first installment, and after that go to the Installment Tracker. Here that we have taken 11 August holiday. So this date is tail, and after direct 12 August. So 11 is skipped. So how this is? We have done that holiday form. We have filled up that holiday form. So 11 August is skipped automatically. So this type holiday will skip in this transaction. So this type Jainam software will work in holiday form. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.